Hello, my dear Year 1 students. How are all you doing today? Today we're going to learn to use a program called Microsoft Word. We've learned that we can use the keyboard to type information into the computer, and we can use the computer to write about many different things. We can write stories, poems, and letters to give information about people. We use Microsoft Word to make our writing look good. Microsoft Word allows us to open a file on the computer. A file is where we store our writing. In real life, we write on paper and store on paper. On a computer, we write using a keyboard and store on a file. Now we're going to learn how to open Microsoft Word. There are 3 ways to open Microsoft Word. The first way is using the mouse. We're going to click on the desktop. We're going to right click and then press New and press Microsoft Word. That's the first way. The second way is to go on the Start menu and click on All Programs and find Microsoft Word. Here it is. The third way is if we already have Microsoft Word application open and we want to open a new document, we press on the toolbar, we press on the File menu, and we press New, and we press Blank Page. And this is how we open a new Microsoft Word document. Okay, now we're going to learn how to save our files. When we save a file, it means we want to open it again another time. Every time we save a computer file, we give it a name, a file name. We use names to tell one person or thing from the other. So we use file names to tell files apart. To make a good file name, we want a name. A good file name is one that helps us identify its contents without having to open the file itself. Therefore, a file name should be meaningful. It's better to use lowercase only. We can use numbers and letters, but it's best to avoid symbols. How to save a file? We look at the top of the screen. This is called a toolbar. Each icon is a shortcut for something. We press on File, we move the cursor, and click on Save As. A new box will appear on the screen. Click on the empty box next to the file name and type in the name that you want and then press Save. For this file, I'm going to name it Year 1 ICT Week 8, and then I'm going to press Save. This is how we save a file. Now we're going to learn how to make a folder and save a file into it. A folder is where we save files and other folders. To create a folder, we go on the desktop and then we right click, we press New, and we press Folder. I'm going to name this folder ICT, simply by just typing the words inside the keyboard. Now let's try saving a Microsoft Word document into the file. So let's open a new file. We press File and then we press New and then Blank Document, and then we press Save As. We go on the File menu, we press Save As. We give it a name, Week 8. And then we go on the left column and then we search for our file. Our file is saved on the desktop automatically. So we go on desktop and then we press ICT. ICT is the folder we just created. And then we open it and then we press Save. And now if I am lost and I want to find the file I just created, I'll simply look for my folder, which I called ICT and saved on the desktop. I'll open it and then inside it I'm going to find my file. So this is our lesson for today. Please tell me if you have any questions, and practice. Thank you.